We'll guide you through how to host railway apps on Netlify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Netlify website. You'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and click on the New Site from Git button. This will allow you to connect your Git repository where your railway app code is stored. Choose the Git provider you're using, whether it's GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, and authorize Netlify to access your account. After authorization, you'll see a list of your repositories. Select the repository that contains your railway app. Next, you'll be prompted to configure your build settings. Ensure that you specify the correct build command and publish directory for your app. This information can usually be found in your app's documentation or the build script section of your package.json file. If your app requires environment variables, scroll down to the advanced build settings and add them there. Once everything is set, click on the Deploy Site button. Netlify will start building and deploying your app. You can monitor the progress in the deployment log. If everything is set up correctly, your app will be live shortly. To manage your site, you can access it from the dashboard where you can also configure domains, SSL certificates, and other settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.